Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to turn on or off legal moves in chess.com. So legal moves is practically what you do when you make a move. So as you can see here, if I hover a game, there we go. If you see the tiny dots there, these are my legal moves. As you can see, those are legal moves. So how do you turn it on or off? It's quite simple. Once you logged in, click on the settings or cogwheel icon on the lower left corner of your screen like so. This pop-up will appear. Click on all settings. Once you are in settings, you want to click on gameplay, the second option. And by default, it's going to be enabled. So show legal moves. So if you want to deactivate it or turn it off, just click on it. This green check mark will appear, meaning that you have successfully turned it off. And if you want to turn it on, it's the same thing. Just click on it like so. And as again, the check mark will appear and it's going to be highlighted by green. So that is how you turn it on and off for chess.com. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.